To be an officer and a gentleman, the grand dream of many young men to join the elite Indian Army is nurtured and nourished at the Officers Training Academy, Gaya. The third premier pre-commissioned training academy of India. The cradle of military leadership. Situated amidst lush green environs of Paharpur, Gaya, training of the first batch of gentlemen cadets began here in July 2011. Since then, this esteemed institution has churned out many heroes in the making. The academy was formally inaugurated on 14th. Trace the journey of these young men from the day they arrive at the academy, with dreams in their eyes, awe in their minds, and inspiration in their hearts, mixed with a slight trepidation naturally arising from unfamiliar surroundings.
Like every other youngster, I too faced a dilemma of choosing a career option on completion of my 10+2. Joining Officers Training Academy Gaya has not only provided me an adventurous way of life, but also allows me to be an engineer and a soldier. All this has happened at a young stage of my life, whereas all my peers are still struggling to find a foothold. This academy has given me a distinct identity, a truly unique sense of belongingness. The training imparted here focuses on development of physical, mental and social skills.
The quality of life and security offered to me and my family by the armed forces is not offered by any other profession. No other organization looks after its employees like the armed forces, which is one closely knit family. Training imparted here is not just about the grueling routine with no respite. In fact, there are many other activities that we can indulge during our leisure time. It gives us a chance to develop and pursue creative hobbies. Being a sportsman, the academy has given me opportunity to play games like squash, tennis, basketball, swimming, etc.
Hailing from a completely civilian background, joining the Indian Armed Forces was like entering uncharted waters for me. Training at the academy made me learn to shoulder responsibilities, understand the value of teamwork and camaraderie, punctuality and discipline. At a young age, it gave me a platform to become a leader instead of being led. It gave me a lot of self-confidence, and as an army officer, I'll not only be a worthy citizen, but also I am sure I can contribute a lot more.